So there's this 29-year-old that bought a $60,000 Tesla on a credit card just to get the rewards back on the card. But was it really worth it? In this video, I'm going to cover the true cost of that Tesla. But before I dive in, if you like and appreciate these quick videos and you're out for a great deal, be sure that you obliterate that like button. And if you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And the stock market has been making records in the last week. You want to make sure that you're not missing out on an opportunity to earn money and passive income. You can get free stock with Robinhood that will be valued up to $500 by clicking the link down in the description box below, and you can receive free stock value up to $500 after you link your account. So I ran across this article with this 29-year-old by the name of Rosso, along with his wife Liz, which they had this idea to use a credit card to buy a Tesla Model 3, which totaled $58,857. That's including taxes and fees. And they put all of this in the entire transaction on a credit card. Now, Tesla did not allow them to use the credit card to purchase the car directly. So Keith and Liz had to use a third party to complete this transaction. And the third party charged them an additional 2.5%, which came out to about $1,470, while the purchase earned them nearly $180,000 in reward points with their credit card. That's about $1,800 in cash value, but it could be worth more, in the ballpark of $5,000 if you redeem those points for travel, for like hotels and rental cars. So by putting the car on credit, here's the true value of this car if you would do the same thing. So a total of $58,857 was added to the card, and according to LendingTree, the average credit card interest rate is just over 19%. And based off of these numbers, the lowest minimum payment that I could put into the system was $950. So based off of these numbers, you would have paid just over $180,000 in interest alone, just for the $5,000 in maximum rewards. You would have ditched out almost $241,000. I'm just going to let that sink in. I'm going to even put it right here on the screen. $241,000 on a $60,000 car just to get $5,000 in credit card rewards. So if someone was thinking to buy a $60,000 Tesla and put it on a credit card, that's the true value of what you would really be paying for that car, over $241,000. But Liz and Keith, they had funds saved up, so they were able to pay off the card in full, so they didn't have to deal with the interest payments. But you got to think about it though, they still have to deal with the $1,470 to use the third party system, and they exceeded their credit limit by $23,000 because they only had $37,000 in available credit. So you also got to think about those additional fees, and it also took a big hit on their credit report as well. So do you really think it's worth putting $60,000 on a credit card to purchase a car, even if you already have that money available? Because with Tesla, if you pay in cash anyway, you get a lower rate versus if you were going to put it on credit. Leave your comments down below, and I will leave a link to this entire article in the description box below as well. And for more ways to make money and all things related to your finances, check out more videos right over there on your screen. Subscribe right here by clicking the icon, and that way you don't miss anything. And I will see you in the next video.